Morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Overnight prices are kind of mixed. Beans down a little bit, wheat and corn up a little bit. Outside markets, the U.S. dollar is higher, crude's a little bit lower. Still trying to feel around for global economy and the direction that we're going, and also when or if the Fed's going to be raising interest rates here in the United States. A lot of numbers out overnight. The average trade guess for the August crop report for corn, 164.7. I think that's a pretty friendly number. Beans, 44.8, also a friendly number. Carryouts though, corn for 14 and 15, 1783. It was 1779. For next year, 1449. It was 1599. So a little neutral to the nearby, but friendly to the deferred. Bean carryout 247 versus 255. Next year's carryout 322 versus 425. So here again, maybe a little friendly to the nearby, but we need the next year's carryout to be lower to really boost prices higher. We did hear that China's out buying beans, mostly from Brazil, and the Brazil farmer is selling beans, which could be causing a little hedge pressure in the bean market. Midwest basis is strong in the beans, good crush margins. Corn basis also firming up with the lower corn pricing, helping ethanol margins. Export sales, beans should be 300 to 500,000 tons. Last week it was 899. Corn 250 to 450 old crop, 3 to 500 new crop, and wheat 4 to 600 versus 699 last week. End users starting to buy a little corn, beans, and wheat domestically in front of next week's USDA report. The fact that from a weather standpoint, we might be a little drier next week. So if we look at the Midwest right now, we see rains going across the southern part of the Midwest. Central part is dry, but we also have temperatures near normal, so no heat stress. The next 6 days, we're looking at showers in the south, maybe showers in the north. Ridge building up early next week for especially the southern plains, but late next week backs off into the Four Corners. So a pretty good forecast for U.S. crops. I'm sure there will be some people in the Midwest looking for a rain by the end of this week, and we'll see if they get it next week. As always, these are my thoughts, not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.